Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very beautiful fashion tote bag. Yes, Ankara mix fashion tote bag. So let's get into the detail of the tutorial. Okay guys, so these are the things we'll be needing. So I'm using this beautiful Ankara fabric. It has the same touch of orange, so I'm using this beautiful orange material. Okay, so I'm using this African fabric. Okay, so the measurement of this main bag is this is 14 inches by 28 inches. So the wideness is 14 inches while the length is 28 inches. Okay, so and for the Ankara you need 12 inches by 18 inches. 12 inches by 18 inches. You're going to be folding it into two. Okay, yeah, this is 17 inches. 12 by 17 inches. Yes. So I'm going to trim off this okay, so 12 by 17 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to be padding this. That I'm going to be putting lining. Okay, now I cut my lining. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stitch the lining like this. Okay, all I need to do is I cut a little bit. The lining should be a little bit bigger than the material so that I can easily top stitch it round. Okay, alright guys, so after fixing my lining, I trim off the excess, right? So the next thing we're going to be fixing now is our zip cloth. Okay, so I'm going to fix it this way. I'm leaving about 2 inches. Okay, I could actually double fold the material, but for this I decided to do it one folding. Okay, since it's still very neat. Okay, so the material I'm using is a very beautiful material, so it doesn't need to see what I did. Can you see now? So I'm going to so this is what I did. I left a lot of excess. Okay, now I'll now come back to this point like so. So I'll make sure I get the exact point where I started fixing the zip cloth on this other side. By doing it is either I use my tape rule to measure, or I do it the way I'm doing it like this. So I'll use my hand just to follow it through like this. Okay, so I use my hand to push it inside. So when I get to this point, okay, so guys, this is what we have. So I can now open it up. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to fix my handle. Okay, so we're going to be fixing our handle. So for the handle, I'm using 25 inches each for the handle. So for me to fix my handle, I'm going to fold in a little. Can you see that? So I'm going to measure 3 inches from this point and 4 inches up. 3 inches from the side and then 4 inches from the top. So I'm going to repeat the same thing here. So I'm going to stitch it like so. Alright guys, so the next thing we're working on is on our Ankara fabric. You can use any beautiful fabric of your choice. Okay, so I'm folding this to the wrong side now. Then I'm going to top stitch it from this edge and leave a little so that I can be able to turn it. Okay, so I'm leaving from this point. So I'm going to bring out the shape very well. Alright guys, so after now, so this is the little spot we left, okay, for the turning. Okay, so we're now going, the next thing I'm going to be doing is we are going to be stitching this from this point to this point to this point. Okay. So you see I've stitched that, I've perfectly stitched that point, okay? And you can decide to stitch it separately first before you, so you can see that we have a front panel or front pocket here. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to turn it like so. Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way and stitch it from this point to this point. Okay, so guys, if you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel, what are you still waiting for? So on this channel I upload beautiful tutorials. So we upload professional bag making tutorials and other DIYs. So I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Also, our members enjoy exclusive videos that are exclusively for members only. So it's good that you become a member of Tarron Innovative World so that you get early access to new videos, and also you get access to videos that are not available for the public. So there are a lot of benefits when it comes to you joining our membership. You will see close to Tarron Innovative World here, you will see join. So just take a look at it and see the many options there. We have the option of 2,000 per month, we have the option of 5,000 per month, and we have the option of I think 4,000 per month. So, and then you will see the videos that are there. So we upload videos there that only our paid members, only those that are our members, you know, get access to those videos. So I encourage you to become a member of Tarron Innovative World so that you become, you know, we teach things that are not on a, you know, on the public space or in the public space there. So 2,000, 5,000 is something very little that you can just, you know, you can use to get access to videos that will be helpful to your profession as a bag maker. So I encourage you to be our member. Okay guys, so I cut a strap in order to make my work neat. So there are a lot of video tutorials for our members. You see there are school bags, nursing mother bags, different types of bags. There are explanations of how to price your bag as a bag maker, a lot of things there that only our members have the opportunity to get access to. Also, we have a Telegram class. You can also be one of my students. So for the Telegram class, you are paying directly to me. For the YouTube membership, you are paying directly to YouTube. For those of you that usually come to me asking about YouTube membership, yes, it's very, very important that you join, okay? So also you can also still join our Telegram class. For that one, I'm going to be mentoring you, you know, one-on-one, and also we have more than 30 bag making tutorials, different types of bags, the business aspect, and a lot of stuff. So let me know the one you want. If you want to join our Telegram class, okay, it's not, none of them is free. So all you need to do is chat me up on 080 on WhatsApp 08036588365. So if you're outside Nigeria, plus 234 8036588365. Okay guys, so this is where we are now. So I cut a strap and I use it to make my work look very neat, okay? So when you are making your bag, you know, your personal bag, or you're making it for people, for your loved ones, for your customers, ensure that it's very, very neat. Okay guys, so see what we have here. Now I'm going to turn this to the other side. Look at how neat this is looking, right? Okay, so we're going to turn it to the other side, to the right side. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fix my zip clothes, my runner I mean. So like this. So see what we have. So my phone and other accessories can get into this place. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is just to cover up this zip clothes. So just cut what is sufficient, that will be enough for you. Okay, like this. So I'm going to top stitch. I'm folding it inside like this, and then I will top stitch it like this. So guys, this is what we have. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe to my wonderful channel. So see, a lot of things can go into this. Okay guys, so see you in my next video. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Hit that notification bell close to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever we upload a beautiful tutorial. So you can, like I said, join our membership, YouTube member on YouTube, so that you get access to videos that are not for everyone. Like we treat our members specially. You get access to videos, a lot of tutorials on YouTube here, okay? So, and you just pay a little token and then you get access to them. You pay on a monthly basis, okay? Then for our Telegram class, you're paying directly to me. You can join our Telegram class. We have over 30 tutorials, okay? And then also you will give you I'll give you one-on-one mentorship if you have questions, if you are confused about the business and a lot of stuffs. Okay, that's for Telegram. Okay guys, so see you in my next video. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Follow us on our social media and do Tarron Innovative World. We have a group for bag makers. Is Bag Makers World on Facebook. Go and join. We have Tarron Innovative World bags. Go and join. So see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.